In this video, we're going to be looking at plotting points in a rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian coordinate system. So here, the plane is broken up into 4 parts, where we have a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So the vertical line represents the y-axis. The horizontal line represents the x-axis. The center is called the origin. Now in this quadrant, both the x values and the y values are positive. So in the second quadrant, the x values are negative and the y values are positive. And in the third quadrant, both the x values and the y values are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, the x values are positive and the y values are negative. So naturally, we have the ordered pair where the x value always comes first. So first we always go with the x, and second is the y value. So for example, if we have the ordered pair 5 and 7, this means that the x value is 5 and the y value is 7. Okay, so this is the x value, this is the y value. X value always comes first. Okay, let's look at some examples of plotting some points. So here we want to plot these points, and I went ahead and set the graph up to save time. Of course, in the center here is 0 for both the x and y. That's the origin. Okay, so for example, we want to plot the point 2, 4. So they're both positive. They land in the first quadrant. So here we go to the x value of 2, y value of 4. So we will go up where x is equal to 2, and then we come across horizontally where y is equal to 4. And that intersection where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 is the point 2, 4. Now let's look at the next example. The point -1, -4, the x value is -1, the y value is -4. We come up where x is -1. No, sorry, we go down because we're going to -4. So go down and then come across from the -4, and where they intersect would be the point -1, -4. So this lands in the third quadrant. Now the point +4, -2. So x is 4, y is -2. So we come to positive x, and we come down to y equal -2. The 2 points would intersect here. So 4 -2. And this is in the fourth quadrant. And then the next point, -2, 5, the x value is -2, but the y is +5. So we go to the left to get to -2 for the x, and coming up from -2 all the way to 5, right? So where these two would intersect, a horizontal line from 5 and a vertical line from -2, they would intersect here, and that's the point -2, 5. Okay, and this happens to be in the second quadrant. Okay, now we could also do these points here, and they lie on the axis. So for example, the point 0, 2. So the x value is 0 and the y value is 2. So in this case, this point here is 0, 2. So the x value is 0, the y value is 2. So it would lie on the y-axis, okay? So this point is 0, 0, 2. And it lies on the y-axis, all right? We could call it a y-intercept. Here, the point minus 4 is 0. Well, x is minus 4. The y value is 0, so you do not move up or down. You stay right there. And this is on the x-axis. So here's our point on the x-axis. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.